Mr. Trollope, you have seen my native land and know of the famine round the land. And when our man Wellesley beat Napoleon Bonaparte, we took the British Army to our hearts. It was a cruel and unjust institution. Like a bird in cage, I long for freedom, free of their lashes and free of their power, to be a bushranger for just 1 hour. Mr. Trollope, you have seen my blinded eye, my scarred and scoured skin as fate designed. The tiny cell that buried my free Celtic dairy soul, deep within this cold and fetid jail. Such a long and cruel incarceration. Like a bird in cage, I long for freedom, free of this lonely cell and free of their tower, to be a bushranger for just 1 hour. I'm tired and lonely, feel so broken. Like a bird in cage, I long for freedom, to walk with my head up and not have to cower, to be a bushranger for just 1 hour. Mr. Trollope, take a message to my home. Write a book and tell the young ones still in you